Starting a website design business in Kenya is one of the smartest moves you can make in today's digital world. Over the past few years, more businesses in Kenya have moved online, and this trend continues to grow every year. From small shops in towns to large companies in cities, everyone wants a strong online presence. A website is now seen as a necessity, not a luxury. This creates a powerful opportunity for anyone willing to learn and provide website design services. In simple terms, a website design business involves creating and managing websites for clients. These clients can be small business owners, professionals like doctors and lawyers, schools, churches, or even individuals who want personal brands. Your job is to help them build an online presence that looks professional, loads fast, and helps them attract customers. The beauty of this business is that you do not need a lot of money to start. You can begin with basic tools like a laptop, internet connection, and your skills. Compared to other businesses that require large capital, this is a low-cost, high-reward opportunity. Many people in Kenya have started with very little and built successful web design businesses that generate consistent income. When you start, you must understand why businesses need websites. A website acts like a digital office that is open all the time. Customers can visit it at any hour, learn about products or services, and even make purchases. In Kenya, where mobile internet usage is very high, more people are browsing the internet daily. This means businesses without websites are missing out on many potential customers. In terms of earnings, website design can be very profitable. A beginner may start by charging between 10,000 Kenya shillings and 40,000 Kenya shillings for a simple website. As your skills improve, you can charge between 40,000 Kenya shillings and 120,000 Kenya shillings for a business website. For more complex projects like online stores, you can earn over 150,000 Kenya shillings. With just a few clients each month, you can build a stable income. To succeed in this business, you need to learn some basic skills. First, you should understand how websites work. This includes simple knowledge of languages like HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript. However, you do not need to become a full programmer. Many designers today use platforms like WordPress, which allow you to create websites without coding everything from scratch. Another important skill is design. A good website should look clean, attractive, and easy to use. This is where user interface and user experience come in. You need to make sure that visitors can easily find information and take action, such as contacting the business or making a purchase. Search engine optimization is also very important. This is the process of helping websites appear on search engines like Google. When you understand basic SEO, you can help your clients get more visibility online. This adds more value to your services and allows you to charge higher prices. Before you start looking for clients, you need to practice. Build sample websites for imaginary businesses. For example, you can create a website for a restaurant, a salon, or a small shop. These projects will help you improve your skills and also serve as part of your portfolio. A portfolio is very important in this business. It is a collection of your work that you show to potential clients. When someone wants to hire you, they will want to see what you have done before. Even if you do not have real clients yet, your sample projects can help you get your first jobs. Once you have some work to show, the next step is to find clients. Start with people around you. Talk to local business owners and show them how a website can help them grow. Many small businesses in Kenya still do not have websites, which means there is a huge market waiting for you. Social media is also a powerful tool for getting clients. You can post your work on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Share before and after designs, explain what you did, and show the results. This helps build trust and attracts potential clients. Another way to get clients is through referrals. When you do a good job for one client, they can recommend you to others. Word of mouth is very strong in Kenya, and it can help you grow quickly. As you start getting clients, you need to think about pricing. Do not charge too low just to get work. While it is okay to start with lower prices, make sure you increase your rates as your skills improve. Your time and expertise are valuable, and you should be paid fairly. You can also create packages to make your services clearer. For example, you can have a basic package, a business package, and a premium package. Each package can include different features such as number of pages, design quality, and additional services like SEO. Registering your business is another important step. This makes your work official and builds trust with clients. In Kenya, you can register your business name easily through the government online portal. Having a registered business also allows you to work with larger clients and organizations. As your business grows, you should focus on delivering high-quality work. Always aim to exceed your clients' expectations. Make sure the websites you create are fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to use. Most people in Kenya use smartphones, so mobile optimization is very important. You should also think about offering additional services. Website design is just the beginning. You can offer website maintenance, content updates, SEO services, and even digital marketing. These services can bring in recurring income every month. For example, you can charge a client a monthly fee of 5,000 Kenya shillings to maintain their website. If you have 10 clients, that is 50,000 Kenya shillings every month without doing new projects. This creates stability in your business. Tools are also important in your journey. There are many free and paid tools that can help you design better websites. Design tools help you create layouts, while website builders help you bring those designs to life. You should take time to explore different tools and find what works best for you. You will also need hosting and domain services. A domain is the website name, while hosting is where the website lives online. These are basic requirements for any website, and you can either guide your clients or provide these services yourself. As you continue growing, you should think bigger. Do not limit yourself to local clients only. The internet allows you to work with people from different countries. International clients often pay higher rates, which can significantly increase your income. However, success in this business does not come without challenges. One common mistake is underpricing your services. Many beginners fear losing clients and end up charging too little. This can lead to burnout and slow growth. Another mistake is ignoring contracts. Always have a clear agreement with your clients. This should include the scope of work, payment terms, and timelines. A contract protects both you and your client. You should also avoid overpromising. Do not promise what you cannot deliver. It is better to be honest and realistic than to disappoint your clients. Good communication is key to building strong relationships. Consistency is one of the most important factors in success. You need to keep learning and improving your skills. Technology changes quickly, and you must stay updated with new trends and tools. Discipline is also important. Treat your business like a real job. Set working hours, plan your tasks, and manage your time well. This will help you stay productive and grow faster. In the long run, a website design business can give you financial freedom. It allows you to work from anywhere, choose your clients, and control your income. Many people in Kenya are now earning a good living through digital services, and you can do the same. The journey may not be easy at the beginning, but with patience and effort, you can build something great. Start small, learn continuously, and focus on delivering value. Over time, your reputation will grow, and more opportunities will come your way. In conclusion, a website design business in Kenya is a powerful opportunity for anyone willing to take action. With low startup costs, high demand, and the ability to scale, it offers a clear path to success. If you stay committed and keep improving, you can build a business that not only supports you financially, but also makes a real impact in helping other businesses grow online.